All right. So it says there are some questions that you'll need a calculator to find approximations accurate to 3 decimal places. Here's an example of such a task. It says if f of x equals 4x to the seventh minus x squared plus x minus 5, find f inverse prime of 3 accurate to 3 decimal places. All right. And I will use her notation. I like that parentheses notation right there. That's pretty good. That keeps it from being quite as sloppy. So here's what we know. All right. So f inverse, I love this. It's a really good idea. Prime, and we could call that G if you want to. I mean, that's fine. Of 3, okay, will equal 1 over, and remember, this came from the chain rule, so that was the inner part. So it would be F prime of F inverse of 3. Okay, and again, you can change those to G's if you like, if that makes you want to vomit a little bit. All right, so I need F inverse of 3. So I need to know then when this equation is equal to 3, what the X value is. Okay, and that's really, really tough to do because you're trying to solve 3 equals to all that. And it does say 3 decimal places. So we'll do that. And I'm heading to Desmos again because that's just what I have right now. Boom. Boom. All right, and so what we had 4x to the seventh, and I forgot the rest of it, of course, minus x squared plus x minus 5. Okay, so minus x squared plus x minus 5. All right, so plus x minus 5. Okay, and so what I'm trying to do then is I'm trying to find out, I want to know if that whole thing, that whole equation then is equal to 3. What is the y value? That's what that's saying. So if the y, sorry, the x value, what is the x value if y is 3? That's what that's asking. That's what inverse is asking. All right, so the easy way to do that is to say y equals 3 and then go search for this intersection. All right, it did say 3 decimal places, and that's exactly what Desmos does. So that is 1.106. That is the x value when y is 3, and that is on the inverse. Okay, so 1.106. 1.106. All right, so this is equal to 1 over f prime of 1.106. Okay, and again, I have f. So f prime is no big deal. So let's do that right here, I guess. So f prime of x, doing the power rule straight across, will be 28x to the sixth minus 2x plus 1. And I want to know then f prime of this crazy decimal, 1.106. There's a way to do this on the graphing calculator, but since that's not working for me right now, I'm just going to go ahead and substitute in. You can do math 8, right? And use that equation and then put 1.106 in. I can show you on the screen. But if I do math 8, it looks like that. And so I can put the function in, and then right down there at the right there at the end on the evaluating part, I can put x equals yeah, it's right there. X equals 1.106, and it'll tell me. Okay, but since I don't have that, I'm just going to go ahead and use Desmos to calculate it for me. All right, so it's going to be 1.106 to the sixth minus 2 times 1.106 plus 1. Oh, what the heck. I'll do it right here on the calculator. All right, so I'm going to go in terms of x, and then I've got 4x to the third. So I'm in math 8. All right, minus x squared plus x minus 5. And I want that evaluated when x is equal to 1.106. All right, so let me just show you what I've typed. Okay, so that was a math 8, and I did the original function, 4x to the 7th minus x squared plus x minus 5. And I've got 1.106 substitute in, hit enter. And I've got that amount. And it did say the 3 decimal places, but I'm going to go ahead and do it at the very end. So that is going to be 1 over that amount. So I'm going to go 1 divided by my previous answer. Okay. And this will be the slope on this problem. All right. So, oh, wow. That's tiny. All right. That's tiny. Let me try to math one that and see what it looks like. Nope. It freaked it out. Okay. So that's it. So this is going to be approximately rounded to 3 decimal places. What we got? Yeah, it's going to go 0.02, isn't it? Because everything's going to round that up to a 2. So 0.02. There we go.